Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 288. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5, 3 here, so 4, 3. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 covering here and a 1 covering here, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. Now we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 2, 3, 3 and 8 here, so 2, 5. Just the 3 here, so 2, 5, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. Got the 9 here and the 5 here. And an 8 here. Wait. 9, 5. So 2, 8. 9, 8 here, so 2, 5. 8 here, so 2, 5, 9. 8 here, 9 here, so 2, 5. So Now if we look, the only place the 9 can be in that row is here, and then the only place the 8 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 1, 5, and 6 here, so this is our 4. Six here, so 1, 5. 1 here, so 5, 6. And no help here, 1, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. We've got 1, 4, and 7 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 1, 7. 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. And that 7 makes this our 1, 7. This 2 makes this our 6, 2, 5. We can get rid of this 5. Oh, and that 2. So that means this is our 8, 3, 2. And that 3 makes us our 8. This 5 makes this our 6. We can get rid of that 6. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. All right. Looks like up this 2 makes this our 5, 2, and that 5 makes this our 1, 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.